Good morning, everyone. Happy first day of school. My name is Miss Nasworth, and I am going to be your 7th grade English teacher this year. And I just wanted to give you a quick little welcome video to my Canvas classroom. Hopefully, most of you have experience with Canvas, but if you don't, I'm going to give you a few user tips and tricks this morning to hopefully make your day go a little bit better. So first off, my welcome page is a place where you're going to get a lot of information that you can use each day. So the very first thing I want you to pay attention to are the announcements. Your announcements will always come at the top of the screen. And usually if there's an announcement for the day, it might be about something that's due or about an assignment that you should be working on, or it might even have our class Zoom link that day. I also have a Bitmoji classroom. This is an interactive classroom where you can click around and learn all kinds of things about me and about my classroom. And this Bitmoji classroom will have some changes probably each week. So I encourage you today to just click around and learn a little bit about me and about my classroom and my expectations. Then you're going to go into your module for the week. And you're going to click on that Bitmoji whiteboard and click in, and it's going to tell you what you have due for the day. Now yours is going to look a little bit different than mine because I have all the assignments and I'm only giving you today's assignments. One last thing. Here's part of your assignment today. I want you to send me an email. Email is going to be the quickest way for us to interact. So you definitely need to know how to use that. If you go right over here on the left-hand side where it says inbox, you can click on that. And you'll get any email that I send you over here. And you'll also get email from other teachers. You'll get email and you can send email to your teachers. So you're going to click on this button that says compose a new message. You're going to select your course, whichever course that is, say Advanced English or Regular English. And then you're going to type in my name. Nazwor, and as soon as you start typing, it's going to give you my name. Okay, so you'll choose that, and then you'll title yours hello from, and then you'll put in your name, and then right here you're going to type your message, hello Miss Naz, and answer the question in the assignment that you have. Okay. If you have, and then don't forget to hit send, sorry. If you have any other questions, I will be available all day. You can reach me by email, which I just showed you how to do, or you or your parent can join my Remind class and send me a text message through that. I hope we're going to have a great day. Remember to be calm, be patient. It's new for everyone, including our teachers, so we're going to help you through it. It's going to be a great year, whether we're in the same room or not. So welcome, welcome, welcome. I can't wait to see your faces.